perfectly heating your pre-cooked ham.
Hello, and welcome to our guide on how to heat a pre-cooked ham without drying it out. If you've ever faced the dilemma of reheating ham and ending up with a dry and unappealing meal, worry no more. Today, we're going to walk you through the best approach to retain moisture and flavor in your ham.
Why is my ham drying out?
When ham is heated for too long or at too high a temperature, it can lose its natural juices, causing it to dry out. It's crucial to heat your pre-cooked ham at a moderate temperature and for the appropriate amount of time.
What is the best way to heat pre-cooked ham?
First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. You can opt to add some water to the baking pan to create a moist environment and prevent the ham from drying out. Place the ham in an oven-safe dish, and cover it tightly with aluminum foil. The foil will keep the moisture in, helping to keep the ham juicy. For a whole pre-cooked ham, heat for about 15 to 20 minutes per pound. For a half ham, aim for 18 to 24 minutes per pound. Always check the ham towards the end of the cooking time to ensure that it's heating evenly and isn't drying out.
How do I know when my ham is heated properly?
A pre-cooked ham is ready when its internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Use a meat thermometer to check the temperature. Insert it into the thickest part of the ham without touching the bone. It's essential to have a reliable meat thermometer to ensure your ham is heated properly without drying it out. There you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to heat your pre-cooked ham perfectly without it drying out. Always remember the key points: a moderate oven temperature, the right heating time, a moist environment, and checking the internal temperature. Enjoy your juicy and delicious ham. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.